It really depends. For example, in my case, I was someone who had never remodeled an entire room before, but I did have some general handyman skills just from living. And also I came from a family that had done some remodel work when I was growing up. So I had the experience of seeing some subcontractors and some general contractors doing their thing in our house. And I was an inquisitive 10-year-old. So obviously I was hanging around seeing what they were doing. So in my case, where I bought a first house that had a lot of problems and really needed everything redone in it, when I started working on it myself, because at the time I was teaching college and didn't have a lot of money, but did have spare time, I started with the smallest bathroom, because that way, since it was a 3-bathroom house, I could work on it in my spare time. It wasn't something that was super urgent. And if I did mess something up, then I could call in a contractor expert to fix it, and it wouldn't be a crisis of being my only bathroom. Then when I did that successfully, then I moved on to the next biggest bathroom, and then the largest bathroom, and then I did my kitchen, and then I did my living room, and then I did the siding on the outside, and then I did the foundation. So if you're thinking that you might want to do work yourself, the best thing to do is to start with small projects and then build up.